Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome, it's Steve. Welcome back to Sony a7 Wednesdays. Did you guys know on your Sony a7 III, you could track faces? Meaning, when you're taking a picture or a video, you don't have to worry about getting focus on a face. There's a setting in your camera that will always keep the focus on faces. And not only human faces, the Sony a7 III could also focus on animal faces. I took a few pictures in the summer. I saw some dogs near the beach and it actually worked pretty good. So I'll show you in the settings how you enable the autofocus for faces and how to enable autofocus for animal faces. So let's get into the settings now. All right, now that you have your a7 III in hand, just click on the menu button on the back of the camera and it will take you right here into these menu settings. What you want to be in is section 1. And that's the camera with the number 1 next to it, page 6. So we'll go right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here we go. Face eye autofocus settings. You can click on that. You would want to turn it on here. Mine is on, so it's on. Then you want to go into subject detection. If you're taking pictures of humans or video of yourself or humans, then obviously you want it to be on human. But if you're going to take some pictures of dogs or animals, then you click on this and you just change it to animal. I'll keep mine on human. The next setting is face detection frame display. I keep mine on, and that means there'll be a white box around your face. So you'll know that the face detection is working. And then the same thing here, animal eye display. You'll see a little box around the animal's head and there'll be a green dot in the eye. I keep my autofocus track sensitivity to 5 and that's pretty much it. So what I could do now is stand next to my mirror and kind of show you what the autofocus looks like. So here you can see my face being recognized by the a7 III, and if I try to press the button to focus, you'll see a green dot. And that is the eye focus. And that's all there is to know. Once you have those settings set the way you want them, you'll be able to track faces like I am now in this video. Or if you're going out to shoot some dogs or animals that have, I guess, dog type faces, they'll work. This doesn't work on birds or fish, obviously. I think the new operating system does in the newer Sonys. They can get, I think, bird faces. But this is pretty much for cats, dogs, like domestic animals. I'm sure anything similar to that. A bear even. But the settings are really simple, and I hope you were able to get them set by following my video. Now get out there and shoot some animals, or when you shoot your videos like I am now, you never have to worry about it losing focus. It'll always focus on your face. If that was helpful, leave a comment below. Let me know what you want to see on some of my next videos, and I'll see you next time on Sony a7 Wednesdays. Peace, guys.